Throughout this STEM project, students will learn about solar energy, the water cycle, and how to measure, gather, record, and display data. Primary Connections Waterworks unit aligns perfectly with this project. Science, mathematics, HASS, and design and technology learning outcomes connect to this project too. Students need to learn and understand that energy makes things work, it produces changes and makes things happen. This project focuses on solar energy and the changes it can make through transpiration. Solar energy is created by the heat and light of the sun. The sun is what produces energy as its radiation reaches Earth. This energy can convert into other forms of energy, such as heat and electricity. Plants transpire to cool the plant, to push water and minerals to the leaves for photosynthesis. However, in this STEM project, students are going to be using the transpiration process to collect the water, which will be the solution to the STEM problem. Transpiration is the conversion of water from liquid to gas as it passes through the plant's stomata, which are small openings on the undersides of leaves of vascular plants. In simpler form, water moves from the soil into plant roots and up into the leaves. This water, which is in liquid form, turns into vapor because it gets warmed by the sun, which is solar energy. As the plant converts water from a liquid to a gas, energy is released. Water has a high heat capacity. Its transformation involves exchange of energy. In order for the transpiration process to happen, solar energy is required. The energy is hidden in water vapor as latent heat and is released again during the process of condensation to liquid water. Students will have the opportunity to see this process happen firsthand throughout the STEM investigation. As well as learning about solar energy and transpiration, it is very important that students understand and can relate to how precious water is. Australia is a dry continent with an ever-growing population. It is so important that we use water responsibly as it is such a valuable resource. Using STEM pedagogy, students will be given a problem that will involve them using their learning to find a solution. The problem they have been given is, if you are stuck on the side of the road with no water, what is the most effective way to collect water from trees? How can you collect the most water in 48 hours? Working in pairs, students will be given the STEM process to follow as a guideline. This will ensure that students continue to plan, create, test, and improve their prototype. Through class discussion, students will come up with a list of variables, for example, using different bags, different trees, or different tapes. To ensure this is a fair scientific test, students must only use one variable. The testing that has been done to conduct this STEM project used the variable of changing the type of tape. 3 Coles bags, size small, medium, and large, were used for each prototype. The first prototype used no tape at all. No water was collected as the bags fell off the tree. To improve this, the bags needed to stay on the tree. Using tape was the solution. The second prototype used sticky tape. The results showed water, meaning transpiration was evident. This was an improvement. The third prototype used masking tape. There was further improvement again. The final prototype used electrical tape. This tape showed the highest amount of water collected. Overall, the lowest amount of water collected was 0 ml and the highest 10.5. The electrical tape was stretchy and provided lots of pressure, meaning that the tape could not come undone. Through observations of the bags throughout the whole testing time frame, condensation was evident on every bag, of every prototype except prototype 1. A transpiring tree has a double air conditioning effect. It cools when water evaporates, and water vapor passes energy to cool places where latent heat is released when water vapor condenses back to water liquid. Overall, this is a very hands-on task, which means that students can create more meaning from their learning. This task promotes authentic learning that is engaging and relevant to Year 2s.